We've all done it. We've walked into the shoe shop, we've seen an amazing pair of shoes that are on the sale and you just think, wow, what a bargain. I've seen these particular shoes in Next the other day, reduced from £49 to £24. Beautiful red suede shoes, and I'm thinking these are going to look amazing for Christmas. I go to try them on, and what's the first thing that happens is they slip off my feet. Probably because people have been trying them on inside the shoe shop, and obviously with them being suede, they just stretch that much easier, suede shoes. It's really frustrating. I have one foot slightly shorter than the other, so my shoes are always slipping off my feet, so I'm kind of quite used to it, and it's very much the reason why I decided to invent this little product called Sticky Heelz. And I'm just going to demonstrate to you how I can make these shoes, which don't fit me again, just by applying these simple products. So the first thing we see is just how big and how stretched the shoes are. So they clearly need something to help keep them on my feet. This product you're going to apply are the Sticky Heelz heel pads. Now, inside the pack, you'll either have 2 shoe pads, these are your shoe pads, and 2 heel pads, or depending on the pack size, you can sometimes have 4 heel pads, and that will give you multiple wears. These shoe pads will go on inside the shoes. So you're going to want to place that shoe pad in the back of the shoe around about the centre back, and as I said, with that V part at the top part of the shoe. The heel pad is going to go on the bottom part of the heel like so. Place the foot inside the shoe, pull it in, put your fingers in, let the foot relax, and then hold it down. Then you can see all of a sudden my shoes are fitting absolutely fine, no problem, and they're going to stay on my feet. Genius. So with Sticky Heelz, you can love your shoes again.